morning, everybody. Welcome, or should I say welcome back to those who are subscribed. Today it is Bonfire Night! So today, at the moment, we are going to be getting our coats on and heading out for a lovely morning walk in the autumn/winter breeze. We are going to a nature reserve. We've never been there before and we want to see what it's like. And then for dinner, I am sticking with tradition. I am doing a tomato soup with jacket potatoes and beans and cheese and salads. The tradition that my mum always did throughout the entire life of mine when I was living at home. Every bonfire was a night, literally. And then we do have fireworks at the end. So, hello, I am Sarah. I hope you are all well and you're having an amazing year so far and everything is going amazing. And if you ever want to talk, feel free to comment and I love everything that you say. More videos will be coming, hopefully, because Christmas is coming, so we're going to have the Christmas vlogs coming. One of my favourite times of years. So, first of all, let's get our coats on and go for a walk. Come on! That was a long walk. Didn't think we're going to be getting back till about 1 PM, but it is what it is. My cat is saying hello, she's welcoming me home. Hey baby! What? So now I'm going to sort out, well, I'm going to start doing the dinner bit because there's a bit of preparation that needs to be done, and then I'm going to hit the drawers. Let's go! So these are the drawers that I'm dealing with, and I've got a little fur ball with me. Hello baby, what you doing? Hi! So within these drawers there's just clutter and just so much mess. Ugh, sometimes I can't even open the drawer because they're so heavy. So let's start with the drawers. Someone wants to help. Hey? You want to help? What are you doing? Hey? my mummy is home. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna warm up the soup, warm up the beans, and I'm also gonna do some homemade garlic bread to go with the soup, and then we'll put the jacket potatoes in. So let's go. Verdict on soup, mummy.
Well, it's all gone. So it must have been good because I've eaten it all. And I had baked potato and beans first, and then it's a case of if I was stuffed from that, I wouldn't have eaten that, and I've ate all that. And garlic bread. So yeah, it was all right.
Good. Happy mummy.
Happy tummy.
Happy tummy. Yeah. Staying with tradition as well.
Exactly.
Indeed.
That's what we need to be.
Okay, Mozzie, we'll feed you too.
Yeah, cat needs feeding.
Let's get feeding. Are you ready for food? Yeah? You ready? Hungry? Dinner done. It is now time to get our coats on because we're about to go